All right, we're Drew's welcome home shindig, and somebody had mailed a package to my P.O. box, and so Drew's opening that now. They make these things called pocket knives.
I don't know why I left it at home. Someone was rushing me.
Here, Drew.
Awesome.
Oh,
Says,
there's a knife right behind you.
Oh man.
it says, oh yeah.
Oh.
It says, Drew, please paint these gnomes and give them to your friend who loves them.
I have.
Oh, this one might get broke. Oh no, it's the bottom. That's okay, it's the feet. Sweet.
Oh, that's cool.
Art project.
Yeah.
You have a painting contest now?
No.
No.
She wanted to. I don't have painting
I'm glad I
contest.
didn't open them by accident.
Yeah, the
Scared
feet.
the hell out of me.
The feet got broke.
I know.
No, let's super glue that.
He's a pretty good painter though.
Yes, he is.
Sweet deal.
I'm actually thinking about giving you guys back, because I've been
Awesome.
working on that thing for him.
All
So I'm
right.
thinking about
Thank you,
letting
I'll
y'all
do it.
Finish painting it.
Yeah.
There you have it, guys. He's all gnomed up.
It's all gnomed up.
They all lost
All
their
right, I gotta get back to grilling. Y'all get the hell out of my kitchen.